Today we have a 2014 Toyota 4Runner. We'll be replacing the right, aka passenger side mirror here. Whole assembly including this. Mirror's good, but I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the whole thing. Obviously the first thing I do is pop off this cover here. Just two little clips, just pop it right off. And since this one actually has a turn signal, we have to find the connector down here, so we'll be removing the door panel as well. You're gonna open this handle here, pop off this cover. This one here, you're gonna pop off the cover here. There'll be a screw here, a screw there, as well as pop off this cover here and be another screw. So we're gonna remove 3 screws and pop it out in order to get to this connector. So my 3 screws have been removed. I'm just gonna go around and just pop out gently so we don't break anything. Just pop it all out. Now I'm not gonna go ahead and take it off. I'm just gonna leave it on because if we just kind of go over here on the side, you will see where that mirror connects to, which I can reach in there and just disconnect that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that, and then we can get the mirror out. So I went ahead and unplugged it, as well as disconnect this little clip here that's right in there, a little notch. Just gonna pull it out. 3 number 10s, we're gonna go ahead and remove this. This is gonna semi-hold this in place. So all you gotta do is push down and pull it out. And once I do that, we'll get it removed and get a new one. Screws removed, so just gotta push this little tab down and pull it straight out, and then just do the reverse to pop it back in. Okay guys, the new mirror's installed. You gotta pop the new cover on as well. Just push it into place. We're gonna tighten these nuts down, run this back down, plugging it in, as well as clipping this in place. Also, one FYI, this weather strip here, this little part here will have to be removed. This is the only part that clips to the mirror pretty much, so no big deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this down, put this in, close all this back up, and we'll be pretty much on. All right guys, so everything's been closed up pretty much. Just make sure everything lines up before snapping it all in place. The 3 screws are in with the covers back on, this cover back on as well. So we're pretty much done with the inside. Now the last and final thing here is you see the new one. Just gonna pop this cover on, just clips in. So just make sure everything lines up accordingly, pop it in, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.